If your dryer is taking too long to dry your laundry, here's a simple way to test the temperature inside your dryer. First, remember that heat is only one half of the clothes drying equation. The other half is proper airflow. Please clean the lint trap after each load and clean the vent duct once or twice a year. Now, how to test the temperature. You will need two things, the drying rack and an oven thermometer. Install the drying rack following the manufacturer's instructions. Place the oven thermometer on the rack and close the dryer door. Do not place any clothes in the dryer. Turn the dryer on and start a normal cycle. Let the dryer run for 5 to 10 minutes and check the temperature. Most sources say that the dryer temperature should be within the range of 125 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. If this was helpful, please drop me a comment. Here's another video that might interest you.